Are we alone in the universe? That's a question that has fascinated and perplexed us for generations. And in 1977, a mysterious signal detected by the Big Ear radio telescope reignited that age-old debate. Known as the WOW signal, it was a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life. But what was it? Was it a message from an advanced civilization? Or was it just cosmic noise? In this episode of TechNation, we're going to dive into the fascinating story of the WOW signal, and explore the theories and discoveries that have been made in the decades since. So buckle up, folks. This one's going to be out of this world. In 1977, Jerry R. Ehman, a researcher at Ohio State University, was studying data from the Big Ear radio telescope when he noticed something extraordinary. Amidst the static, he saw a signal that lasted for a full 72 seconds, peaking at a frequency of 1,420 MHz before fading away. The signal was so unusual that Ehman circled it on the printout and scribbled, "Wow," in the margin, giving rise to the now famous name of the WOW signal. What made the signal so intriguing was its characteristics. It was a narrowband signal, meaning that it was very focused at a specific frequency, and it appeared to be coming from outside our solar system. This was a big deal because, at the time, we had not yet detected any signals that were definitively from extraterrestrial sources. The signal also had a unique pattern of intensity that gradually increased and then decreased, resembling a bell curve. This was in contrast to most signals that were detected by the Big Ear telescope, which were short-lived and lacked this gradual increase and decrease. In the months and years that followed, researchers attempted to replicate the signal, but they were unsuccessful. The signal was never detected again, despite numerous efforts to search for it using the Big Ear telescope and other radio telescopes around the world. Some scientists hypothesized that the signal was of extraterrestrial origin, possibly a message from an advanced civilization. However, others were more skeptical, suggesting that it might be a natural phenomenon, such as a burst of radiation from a star or a black hole. Despite the lack of concrete answers, the WOW signal continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Its discovery sparked renewed interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in the history of astronomy. The WOW signal remains one of the most enigmatic discoveries in the history of astronomy. One of the reasons for its enduring mystery is the lack of a definitive explanation for its origin. Scientists have proposed a range of possibilities, including both natural and artificial sources. One of the most intriguing explanations for the signal is that it was of extraterrestrial origin, possibly a message from an advanced civilization. This possibility has sparked considerable interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. The Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake, provides a framework for estimating the number of technological civilizations that might exist in the Milky Way galaxy. The equation takes into account factors such as the number of stars in the galaxy, the fraction of stars with planets, the probability of life evolving on those planets, and the likelihood of intelligent life developing. While the equation is highly speculative, it suggests that there could be many other intelligent civilizations out there in the universe. However, this raises the question of why we haven't detected any other signs of extraterrestrial life. This is known as the Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. TechNation has already shared detailed thoughts on Fermi Paradox. You can click the link above and get more astonishing details. There are many possible explanations for this paradox, including the possibility that intelligent civilizations are too far apart in space and time to ever communicate with each other, or that they may be deliberately avoiding contact with other civilizations. Another possibility is that the signal was of natural origin. There are many natural phenomena that can produce radio signals, such as pulsars, quasars, and other celestial objects. However, these natural sources typically produce signals that are very different from the characteristics of the WOW signal. Despite the lack of a definitive explanation, scientists continue to search for extraterrestrial signals using a variety of methods, including radio telescopes and optical telescopes. However, there are significant limitations to our current technology, and the search for alien signals is still in its early stages. Nevertheless, the discovery of the WOW signal remains a powerful reminder of the mysteries that still await us in the universe. In recent years, the discovery of exoplanets has opened up new possibilities for finding signs of life beyond Earth. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system, and scientists have discovered thousands of them using a variety of methods, including the transit method and the radial velocity method. The search for signs of life on exoplanets is still in its early stages, but scientists are optimistic about the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life. One promising approach is to look for biosignatures, or signs of life such as the presence of oxygen or methane in a planet's atmosphere. While these biosignatures can also be produced by natural processes, their detection could provide strong evidence for the presence of life. The SETI Institute, founded in 1984, is a non-profit organization dedicated to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The Institute conducts research into a wide range of topics related to the search for alien signals, including the development of new methods for detecting signals and the analysis of data from radio telescopes and other instruments. One of the most exciting developments in the search for extraterrestrial signals is the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence. These technologies can help scientists sift through vast amounts of data in search of patterns that might indicate the presence of alien signals. The Breakthrough Listen project, launched in 2015, is one example of this approach. The project is using some of the world's most powerful telescopes to search for alien signals and is analyzing the data using machine learning algorithms. There are also ongoing efforts to develop new technology for detecting alien signals. The Square Kilometre Array (SCAR) project is an international effort to build the world's largest radio telescope, with a square kilometre (1 million square meters) of collecting area for the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. While the search for alien signals is still in its early stages, the discovery of exoplanets and the development of new technology and methods offer exciting possibilities for the future. As we continue to explore the universe, we may eventually find evidence of life beyond Earth, changing our understanding of the universe and our place in it. And that's a wrap on our journey through the mysteries of the WOW signal and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. From the excitement of the discovery to the tantalizing possibilities of finding life beyond Earth, it's clear that there is still so much we don't know about the universe. So what do you think? Do you believe the WOW signal was a message from an advanced civilization, or do you think it was a natural phenomenon? And what about the search for extraterrestrial intelligence? Are we alone in the universe, or is there someone, or something, out there waiting to make contact? We want to hear your thoughts, so be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Keep looking up, and who knows what mysteries we'll uncover next.